Huh?
Do you think you can take out those guards? Some of them look kind of tough. It won't be easy.
Yeah, right, of course. Got it.
No one can see me. Light on my toes. I'm sneaking up real quiet. Who took you out? I don't know, cause I didn't hear them coming, cause they snuck up on me. Hey, Captain, you seeing this? No one sees me. Take him out. Come on, Mom, hold it together. Tighten up, you can do this.
We got a 1091G in the control room.
Roger that.
Oh. You can do this, Mom. Just take him out. Just take him out!
Thanks for taking us out, man!